Good morning, guys. So I'm back here at Jaro, where last year we did a video on this site related to the SMCT Jaro project. So currently I'm back, and there seems to be some activities at the moment, so we'll just try to do some observation right now. As you can see here to my right is actually there is some sort of a drainage system that was built where they can get some of the water out of this area. So as you can see, there are actually some water flowing. And then I can see the sign that it says here Glade Residences. So I think this could be somewhat like a housing project. So we'll get the information from the sign that they made. I think this is a notice for the Department of Human Settlements Urban Planning. So this whole area, and on to my left and to the right, where we did our observation last year, that it is about like 48 hectares of land, and then around 10 hectares would be used for the mall for SM. So we're just gonna take a walk. So you can see that there are actually some fences already, but the main road on along C1, which is this part, there are no fences at the moment. I was expecting that they're gonna put the fences right away, but right now they're only putting up on this area right here. And we have the excavator. Yeah, so this is actually a swampy area at the moment. They're gonna level up this area and flatten it maybe to the level, or maybe higher, to the highway on the main road. So this is just a quick observation here in Jaro, just to update you guys on the SM mall project. So it could, we don't know the timeline yet, so probably maybe at least 3 years to 5 years until they finish building everything, including what could be the housing project, or maybe some similar buildings on the other part of this land, like the SMDC or the condo units. So for now, this is the update at the moment. So I can see some guys working right there. I think they're putting up the fence, and then maybe some excavating as well. So this is just a quick update. Till the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.